First thing I'm going to do to start this video is do a tour of this pretty amazing house. Start off with balcony with incredible view through into the main living area with lounges, just cause that's what you do in Greece. Into the kitchen with what appears to be a pizza oven. Might make use of that. This bedroom is definitely set into the rock, as you can see by the cavernous shape. And as we go into the bathroom, it's even more underground. Not quite sure how they eradicate the smell. Bedroom number 2 has a very definite day lounging feel to it. Its bathroom built into the rock. It's just really good natural lighting here. The top bedroom has by far the best view, but just to get up here is treacherous. It's worth it when you get up here though. And a very nice little room up here. Going on an adventure. First excursion is to the beach for a swim. It's hard to take a bad photo. Alright, plan is get in here, swim to there, do a flip off it and not lose the GoPro. If you're watching this, I didn't lose the GoPro. Fed, watered and caffeinated. Yes, this is a monologue. Do you want to add to it, Miss White? Santorini is much nicer without the crowds. Much nicer. It's a different type of crowd to Malta though, isn't it, Jen? Like there it was mostly young people, whereas here it's like, so we're up early this morning to catch a bus to Fera and then walk back to Oya. So much better without people. Just look at that view. Glorious.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. So what do you think of Fera? Pretty decent, Genevieve?
It's beautiful. Can you smell the donkey?
Smell the donkey? I can taste the donkey. If in doubt, take the photo. That's where we're going to end up. No other reason the number of tourists signifies we're back in Oya. Miss Mulcahy is powering ahead up front, but Miss White seems to be lagging behind. How you feeling, Miss White? How much better was it walking down here at 7 o'clock this morning?
Amazing, because there's no one around. Now it's much slower and annoying.
Tourists.
And hot.
Tourists are so annoying. A comparison of King's Cross on a Friday night versus an authentic Greek Euros. Let's go.
I think we have a winner.
Yeah, I think we've got a winner. Tzatziki, it's good.
With seasoning and chips.
Yeah.
Chicken, bit of red onion.
Yeah.
King's crosses instead of jam.
Not as much meat as I thought there would be. The chips make up for it.
They do.
Lost their phone for 19th one.
19th iPhone. Gone.
9. Wait, you've been counting?
No.
What happened last night?
It must have been stolen.
Oh, oh yeah.
You know what I'm talking
Smashed
That
it.
was good. That was very good.
Do you get these back home when after drunken nights out?
about. Not these, no. We usually get a piece of pizza or...
Not off the big spinning stick?
No.
I'm a big fan of the big spinning stick.
I love meat sticks.
I'll tell you what, if someone made that in Sydney, people would be beating down the door for it.
And I want to
Open the
smash
kebab
it.
store.
Yeah.
Paddy's Euros.
That is euros. Sounds alright.
So tonight marks the last of 5 nights in Santorini. It's been a very interesting time here. Give the location a solid 5 out of 5. The activities a solid 3 out of 3. The company a solid 7 out of 7. And the food definitely gets top marks, 2 out of 2. The end of this adventure also closes a chapter on the last 3 months of my life. But it also signifies the start of a new chapter, which is going to be a lot more challenging. I hope it's going to be successful, but it's going to be taking me a lot further out of my comfort zone than I've been before. #speechless.